In this video, you'll learn how to turn off two-step verification in Google. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. To turn off two-step verification, you have to navigate to google.com, so you can also do this on your PC. So once you're here, go to the top right and click on your profile picture. And once you're in here, go to the bottom and go to the bottom left, click on More Settings. Then again scroll to the bottom and again to the bottom left, click on Google Account Settings. Then once you're in here, you have to scroll the top tab a bit to the right until you see Security. Click on it. And once you're in here, scroll down a bit again until you see two-step verification right here in the bottom. Click on it. And right here, you'll see the button Turn off two-step verification. So we'll click on it. And again, an extra warning, but we'll click on Turn off. Turning off two-step verification, and right now two-step verification has been turned off. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.